Hey, I'm Miguel with Motor Trend, and today it's new tire day. I'm here at a tire shop in West LA because I just got the new Sailun E-Range EV tire. This is the first dedicated EV tire from Sailun. So let's get it mounted on. All right, we got the E-Range tires on. Let's get on the road to see how they feel. So let's start from the top. Why do you need an EV-specific tire? Well, electric vehicles are more powerful, heavier, and also quieter than internal combustion vehicles. So having a tire that's able to support all of that over a traditional tire is key. Your car will be quieter, it will be able to handle all that additional torque, and also at the same time deliver more range. Engineers were looking at different rubber compounds when developing the E-Range tires, and they came up with this proprietary technology called Liquid Phase Mixing EcoPoint 3, which basically extends the life of the tires while also making them handle the EVs better. Now, Sailun says that the E-Range tires have a lower rolling resistance, and what that means is you have more range, about 20 to 25 miles more on a single charge. That could be the difference of making it home or not getting there. One of the advantages of the E-Range tire is less range anxiety. That translates into less time at the charger. We're ready to go, let's get rolling. You know, since moving to California, one of the hobbies that I've taken is surfing. And although I'm not the best surfer by any means, I do like being connected to nature and being out there in the ocean. I find it really relaxing. I don't know if this next sport is gonna make me better, but I'm gonna try. I've been driving the Sailun tires all day today, and I've noticed quite a big difference with how quiet they are over the other tires that I was driving. Now, they also have better grip and better stopping power. I've noticed that they handle really well, whether you're stopping hard or accelerating hard. It's amazing how much you get with the Sailun E-Range tire. It's quiet, it handles well, and you get more range because of its improved rolling resistance. It's also about 20 to 30% less expensive, allowing you to do more things you like. See you in the water.